You won't bag a first class degree if you don't understand the study method that works for you. Hi, I'm Mariam, a first class graduate of psychology, and this is part one of my three-part series on how to bag your first class. And on this video, I'm going to be focusing on study methods. Number one, you need to understand your own unique way of assimilating things. Are you somebody that learns fast, on average, or very slow? Understanding this would help you know what hours that you need to study. For example, if everybody is studying 2 hours per week, you probably need to study 2 hours per day. If you're somebody that learns slower than others, you need to understand your best mode of assimilation. Are you a visual learner? Do you like to watch YouTube tutorials and animation? Are you an auditory learner? Do you like to listen to tutorials, recorded lectures, etc.? Or do you just like the traditional method where you study your own notes? Number three, practice what you study in real life. If you learn a new concept, for example, criminal profiling, always make sure to talk about it a lot, joke about it, try to understand it beyond academics, always play around with the concepts that you learn. Number four, try to teach people what you learn. This is a study method that has already worked a lot for me because when I learn something and I teach it to others, it really sticks. Number five, you can do a video or audio recording of yourself after studying and try to make this really fun. For example, if you study criminal profiling, you can set up your recorder or like a WhatsApp voice message and then just start saying things that you know about criminal profiling inside the recorder. And you can even play around with accent or try to picture yourself talking in front of an audience. These are things that I do that make studying fun for me. For example, I can just carry my recorder and say things like, criminal profiling is a tool that forensic psychologists use. And I listen over and over and over. Number six, you need to understand if you're somebody that assimilates best while studying alone or assimilates while studying in groups, which means that you shouldn't just follow the bandwagon. You need to know yourself and know what works for you. Make sure to do a lot of practice questions on your own. And practice questions does not mean just answering them verbally, it also means writing them down. So when you're answering questions, always try to ask the questions in an exam format so that when exams come up, you already have an idea of how you want to structure your answer. That's the end of my part one video on how to get a first class. Tell me in the comment sections the tip you'll be using while studying in future and what study method works best for you. Tune in for part two. Bye.